Advanced robotics and automation are no longer confined to factory floors. Today's robots are tackling complex tasks in warehouses, hospitals, and even homes. Thanks to AI, machine learning, and improved hardware, from collaborative robots, cobots, to autonomous mobile robots, ARMs, and next-generation drones. Automation is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. Let's explore what's driving this shift and what we can expect in the near future. What it is: robots beyond the assembly line. Traditional robots excelled in structured environments, like assembling cars in a factory. Today's advanced robots handle dynamic and unpredictable settings using AI, sensors, and machine learning. Number 1. Collaborative robots, cobots. Cobots are safe, adaptable, and work alongside humans. Unlike traditional robots, they detect human movement and adjust accordingly. Industries like manufacturing and logistics use cobots to handle repetitive tasks, improving worker safety and efficiency. Examples: Universal Robots UR Series automates assembly and packaging tasks. ABB Yumi works in tight spaces with human operators. Number 2. Autonomous mobile robots, ARMs. ARMs navigate independently using sensors and AI, making them perfect for warehouses, hospitals, and retail. Examples: Amazon's warehouse robots speed up order fulfillment. Hospital robots deliver medication and supplies. Number 3. Next-generation drones. Drones are advancing in delivery, surveillance, and agriculture. Examples: agricultural drones analyze soil and spray crops efficiently. Amazon and UPS delivery drones aim to reduce delivery times. Number 4. Humanoid robots, designed to interact with humans. Humanoid robots are entering customer service, caregiving, and education. Examples: Tesla Optimus, a general-purpose humanoid robot. SoftBank Pepper assists customers in stores. Why it might flourish: the key drivers of robotic growth. Number 1. Labor and skills shortages. Industries struggle with worker shortages, leading to increased automation. Robots help fill gaps in fast food, warehouses, and healthcare. Example: Mizo Robotics, flippy assistant in restaurants, flipping burgers and frying food. Number 2. AI-powered adaptability. Robots are becoming smarter with AI, enabling them to recognize objects, navigate environments, and even understand speech. Examples: AI-powered warehouse robots optimize storage and retrieval. Healthcare robots assist in diagnostics and surgery. Number 3. Cost reduction. Improved technology has made robots cheaper and more accessible. Businesses, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, are adopting automation at a growing rate. Watch for the future of advanced robotics. Number 1. Service robots. Robots are moving into hospitality, healthcare, and retail. Examples: hospital robots disinfect rooms and transport patients. Retail robots assist customers in finding products. Number 2. Human-robot collaboration. Safer, smarter robots allow for seamless teamwork between humans and machines. Examples: voice-activated robots respond to verbal commands. Exoskeletons assist workers in lifting heavy objects. Number 3, the impact on jobs. Automation sparks concerns about job displacement, but history shows new roles emerge: robot maintenance, AI development, and human-robot coordination. Final thoughts: a future of human-machine cooperation. Advanced robotics is revolutionizing how we work and live. While automation replaces repetitive tasks, it enhances human potential by freeing people to focus on creativity, strategy, and problem solving. The next decade will be one of the most exciting for robotics. Stay safe, stay secure, and let's hope we're ready to embrace it. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.